kailangan lamang paalala. Maraming salamat.
Of course, female casting talent ang Kuya Robert. Kasi wala po naging connect talent. Okay. So, handa na ba ang ating mga candidate?
Si Sam.
Okay, let's keep time sa mga candidate ko yan. Number 3, female candidate.
With Pastor Jan, of course. Kunan mo nga kami ni Pastor Jan. Kunan mo nga kami.
Video po ito.
Miss Merler Madriaga and Mr. Jeffrey Bradero. Candidate number 2 is Miss Merler Madriaga and Mr. Albert Diaz. Our next candidate number 3, Miss Rochelle Don and Mr. J.R. Napoli. Male candidate number 4 is Mr. Anthony Tolentino. Next candidate number 5, Miss Queen Uy Coco and Mr. Nico Adrian. Candidate number 6, Mr. Raymond Montiverge. And last but not least candidate, male candidate number 8, Mr. Jeremy Louis Montiverge.
Hindi ka magpapag.
Okay, ito po ang ating mga candidates. So we're going to give their major award. So kahapon po, yesterday, nagkaroon po kami ng picture taking sa mga kandidata kung sino po ang naging Mr. and Miss Photogenic. And according sa ating pong mga judges, okay, our Mr. Photogenic for Mr. and Miss Fashionista is male candidate number 5, Nico Adriano. Okay, of course, sa babae, the female candidate for Miss Photogenic, Mr. and Miss Fashionista, is none other than female candidate number 1, Merler. Another minor award is for Mr. and Miss Friendship. Of course, nagsama-sama po sila, nagkakakilanlan, at nagtanong kami kung sino ang sa kanila ang pinaka-friendly. Mapalabati, maingay. And the male candidate for Mr. Friendship is none other than Raymond Montiverge. leadership. Sino? Sinong bet nyo? Tama kayo! Candidate number 3! Rachel! Ay, Bishop Rachel. Okay naman mag-sure doon. Major of me, mga minor band lang naman. And of course, nagkaroon din po kami ng darling of the crowd. Ang ating darling of the crowd, Mr. Darling of the crowd is none other than male candidate number 1, Jeffrey Bracero. And of course, our Miss Darling of the crowd is none other than
Joshua.
male candidate number 3, Simon Madriaga. May picture taking yung mga lahat may award. Mamaya ba? Picture taking.
Picture
Lahat may award.